everyone. I'm Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and it's Walkthrough Wednesday, brought to you by the developers of Nocatee, the Park Group. And I'm here today with Adrian from David Weekley Homes, and we're giving you a first look of Daniel Park. It's the newest town center community in the heart of Nocatee. And we insisted on calling Adrian and getting him to show us this home. Lots of construction going on, so we're going to go inside and take a look. Thanks for having us, Adrian.
It's a pleasure to have you, as always. Come on in.
Look how huge this is. I was not expecting that when I walked in.
It's deceptively spacious, I will admit.
So tell us about this home, Adrian.
Well, we are in the Tullamore model, and this is a 2,300 square foot home. It has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, but it also has the option to convert the study into a 4th bedroom with a 3rd bathroom.
And wow, it's very spacious. And in a minute, Carly, you have to show this other bedroom that they've staged, because it really does show you the amount of furniture that you could put in the room. And lots of natural light is coming in this space.
Well, of course, one of the most important features of David Weekley Homes is the amount of light and windows that we have in all of our floor plans. The light, of course, and the windows breathe life into the home and makes any home feel and live larger than it actually is.
It does, because again, when we open that door, the amount of space and how long this house is, and just, it's so airy, so spacious.
Well, look at the sight lines with this home. Your eye is drawn all the way through to the back, to the lanai, and to the garden beyond.
I can't wait to look at this. Okay, are you going to the left first? Okay.
Yes.
This laundry room, look how big it is.
It's very spacious, and again, what we hear a lot of times is that laundry rooms that people are used to are claustrophobic, they feel cramped. Well, here's an easy solution. As soon as you put a window into the wall, it makes the home feel, or the room feel larger, lighter, and imagine if you have to stand there ironing for hours, at least you've got the sunlight.
No, I love it.
Better.
No, everyone, you need to come out and see Adrian and the other team members today, because this laundry room is amazing. And I know, because I do have the worst laundry room in Nocatee. I'm just going to put it out there. So that laundry room is amazing. Okay, let's look at this.
Oh,
I love
perfect.
it. A great coat closet. A great space, so when you have guests coming, because this is an entertaining house, I can tell, you're going to have a place to put their belongings and even your own. So let's go in this room, Adrian.
This is our study. Wow. Look at the size of this study with the built-ins.
Absolutely beautiful. And I do love the built-ins. Again, we're seeing all the upgrades because this is a model, but I absolutely love this room. And can this room become a bedroom, or does it have to be a study?
No, one of the options that we can do is we can actually enclose this with 8-foot French doors, so you have privacy if you're working from home.
Okay.
We could even put on one of those HGTV inspired barn doors.
Yes.
That would be very cool. But another thing that we can do is we can give this space to the 4th bedroom, which would have its own bathroom. And then
terrific.
That would be ideal for a family, or if you had a guest room, then
and it wouldn't affect the sight lines, Adrian. It really wouldn't if you did enclose it.
Not at all.
Look at this space. I really hope look at this kitchen. Okay, look how big. Seriously, it is.
Wow.
And y'all, Adrian can fly his drone in this space.
That's
I
incredible.
can't get over this floor plan. I mean that y'all, look how wide. Y'all, look, wait, wide. I mean, I want you to really get a feeling. This is not cramped at all. Huge, huge kitchen. Lots of cabinets. Lots of storage space. We've got a pantry in the corner. Absolutely pure entertaining home.
Oh, wow.
Look how big.
That's huge.
That's a walk-in pantry in this house. And this, island, huge. You could put a big dining room table there. I'm moving in. Okay, so Adrian, keep going. I'm sorry. I'm just blown
I'm glad
away.
that you like it so much.
Okay, tell me about, look at this, the windows going outside.
Well, here again, we've got light coming into the home, which makes everyone feel happy and
Yeah, they do. They do feel happy because when I came in this home, I really mean it when I say I love it. Look at this lanai. And I do love that it's covered. Now, is this standard, Adrian, the covered portion?
This lanai has been extended, but the portion that we're in right now here with these chairs, this is what comes with the home.
Absolutely.
The extended part goes round to the side there.
I would 100% tell all your customers to extend it because this is where you will eat. Absolutely. Screen it in. And also, Adrian, why are people buying in the town center? Why choose the town center?
Well, the town center gives you the best of both worlds. You have urban living in a park-like setting, and you've got easy access to the shops, to the restaurants, to all the wonderful amenities and facilities that Nocatee has to offer. It's right here on your doorstep, and you can walk to it in 5 minutes.
I love when Adrian does explain what it's like to be out here. That's why he does such a great job with these homes and telling and selling these homes to people, because you really can walk to the Splash Water Park. You are steps away. You are steps away from the largest Publix in Northeast Florida. And also, I want to remind people we are a golf cart electric vehicle community, and there is a greenway trail that picks up at our water just a little bit north of here, steps really from here, and you can take that under the parkway and visit friends on our northern end of Nocatee. So absolutely beautiful. And can I notice something? I felt a breeze as I'm in here. So we're very close to the beach, aren't we?
We are so close, it's unbelievable. We are actually 6 miles away from the ocean, and one of the things that our homeowners really love to do is cycle to the beach, and you can actually do that without even leaving the sidewalk.
Without leaving a sidewalk, because we do have access to a sidewalk the entire way to Michler's Landing.
That's unheard of. There's another community that offers that.
You're right, and there are people that even live at the beach that do not have access to a sidewalk the whole way. Okay, we're in the owner's suite, and I want to also point out how big and airy and roomy this is.
Certainly a king-size bed with a chest of drawers on both sides.
It's huge. It's absolutely huge. And this, look at this. I love this master bath. And look at this linen closet. Again, lots of storage here with David Weekley. David Weekley does such a good job with their floor plans. They really do.
We spend millions of dollars on it. We listen all the time to what our customers tell us that they don't have, that they'd like to see. So we incorporate those into existing successful plans.
And you know what? A great thing about David Weekley is your design center is here on Nocatee property.
Yes, it is. One of the great things about David Weekley is that we offer so much choice. And we are able to offer 2 preview nights every week so that customers can come in without any obligation whatsoever and look at all the different choices. They can look at the included features and the options, and without any fear or obligation. And once they tell us which floor plan it is that they're most interested in, then we can give them pricing before they actually commit to buy.
I think that's a wonderful benefit to Nocatee too. I know the park group very much appreciates that you have everything in one area and in one space. Again, Curling is showing this amazing, amazing living space. Some things again to point out. We are in Daniel Park. It is solely a David Weekley community. David Weekley, amazing builder. They've been with Nocatee for many, many, many years. And I know Carling's showing everything, so just keep showing this space, Carling, because I really want to give people an idea with this particular floor plan, how big it is, how airy it is, but also Daniel Park, the location, no matter what floor plan you choose, you will have access to a greenway trail system. You will have access to the Splash Water Park and the soon-to-be Spray Park, which opens up in 2018. So you need to come see Adrian and the rest of the team here at David Weekley Homes. I am blown away. And I think Adrian has a special announcement to make.
Well, thank you, Heather. I'm prepared to invite one lucky customer, the first one, in fact, to come and see me on Friday and put themselves in the picture with me.
Goodness.
And that lucky person will get a $50 gift card to use in the town center at one of our wonderful amenities or facilities.
I'll be here Friday. What time?
I'm sorry, Heather, you don't apply for this.
That is not okay. Okay, I'm not in the running apparently. But again, I love filming with this guy, Adrian. He is a great just employee addition to David Weekley. I'm so glad you've been with him for many years.
10 years. I've just celebrated 10 years.
I can't believe it.
I can't wait for the next 10.
And you will, and in other Nocatee neighborhoods, because y'all are doing such a good job. On behalf of the park group, again, the developers of Nocatee, this amazing master plan with so much to offer, please come out here to Daniel Park. And again, this is Walkthrough Wednesday. Thanks for watching.
And before we go, let me just say from David Weekley Homes, from all of our family to you and your family, a very, very Merry Christmas and a very happy New Year. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.